Here aldol condensation reaction, first simple aldol condensation is completed. Then in this case also crossed aldol condensation reaction. Crossed aldol condensation. Crossed aldol condensation means an aldol condensation reaction takes place in between here two molecules of different aldehyde or two molecules of different ketone. Then this is called as crossed aldol condensation or mixed aldol condensation. In this reaction, here aldehyde or ketone contains two alpha hydrogen atoms, means both aldehyde and ketone contains two alpha hydrogen atoms, and then these two alpha hydrogen atoms we get here four products. That is, four products are formed, means aldehyde and ketone contains two hydrogen atoms, then they mix to form here four products. Here four products. If we take first acetaldehyde plus propanaldehyde. Then propionaldehyde plus propionaldehyde. Then acetaldehyde plus acetaldehyde and propionaldehyde plus propionaldehyde. Here this crossed aldol condensation reaction takes place in between two different aldehydes or two different ketones, and this both aldehyde or ketone contains two alpha hydrogen atoms each. Then this gives, that is, four products. Four products are formed. Here first acetaldehyde formula is CH3CHO plus, this is acetaldehyde, or this is also known as ethanol, plus propanaldehyde, that is CH3, then CH2, CH3, CH2, CHO. This is a propanaldehyde. Reacts with each other in presence of dilute NaOH. Then this gives here, this is alpha carbon atom, this is alpha hydrogen atom. Alpha carbon atom of one molecule gets attached to the carbonyl carbon atom of another molecule, and alpha hydrogen migrated towards carbonyl oxygen. Then we get here CH3, then this CH, here OH, then the CH is attached to this carbon atom, that is CH, the CH3 and CHO. CH3CH, here OH, then CH, CH3, CHO. Then this compound is warm with acid. This compound is warm with acid. Then water molecule is eliminated. This OH and H eliminates, means elimination takes place. here nucleophilic addition first step, and in second step that is elimination. Therefore, this is known as aldol condensation. Here crossed aldol condensation because these two molecules are different. Then this gives CH3, then CH, here double bond C, CH3 and CHO. CH3, CH, double bond C, CH3 and CHO plus here H2O. This compound is known as here 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the derivative of butane, but here double bond, therefore A and E is replaced by E and E. In second position, methyl group is attached. Therefore, name of this compound is 2-methyl, then bute. Double bond present, therefore A and E is replaced by E and E. Bute 2-en, but this is aldehyde, therefore bute 2-en Al. This is a first reaction. 4 products are formed from this 4 product. This is first product. Then second product. In second product, we take here first propanaldehyde and then here acetaldehyde. Propanaldehyde formula is CH3, CH2, CHO. CH3, CH2, CHO plus acetaldehyde. Acetaldehyde formula is CH3 and CHO. CH3, CHO. This is the formula of acetaldehyde. We know that here this is the alpha carbon atom, this is alpha hydrogen atom. Then alpha carbon atom of this second molecule gets attached to the carbonyl carbon atom of first molecule. Means this alpha carbon atom attached to the carbonyl carbon atom of first molecule, and alpha hydrogen migrated towards carbonyl oxygen. This reaction takes place in presence of dilute NaOH at room temperature. Then we get here product CH3, CH2, then CH, here OH, then CH2 and CHO. Then water molecule is eliminated. This OH and this H eliminates to give here warm, then CH3, here CH2, then CH, double bond CH and CHO. This is second product CH3, CH2, CH. Here hydrogen atom and OH gives H2O, therefore remaining is CH and CHO plus H2O. And this compound is known as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is a pent. Double bond is present, therefore pent 2-en-E, 2-en Al. This is the second product. Then third product. Here this is a ethanol propanol. Then propanol ethanol. Then self product, that is acetaldehyde and acetaldehyde, means CH3CHO. Here CH3CHO plus CH3CHO. This reaction takes place in presence of dilute NaOH. This is alpha carbon atom, this is alpha hydrogen atom. The second molecule of alpha carbon atom gets attached to the carbonyl carbon atom of first molecule. and alpha hydrogen atom migrated towards carbonyl oxygen. Then we get here product, that is CH3, then CH, here OH, CHOH, then CH2 and CHO. This is nucleophilic addition. Then elimination takes place. This is a warm. Then water molecule is eliminated. This OH and H eliminate to give a water molecule. Then we get here CH3, this CH3, then CH. Here double bond CH, here hydrogen atom and this OH gives water molecule, therefore the meaning is CH and CHO plus H2O. This is third product. Name of this third product is 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the derivative of butane, but here double bond is present, therefore ANE is replaced by ENE. But here also aldehyde group, therefore E is replaced by Al. Then name of this compound is but2-ene-Al. This is a third product. Then next here acetaldehyde, then propanaldehyde and propanaldehyde. Last product is propanaldehyde and propanaldehyde, that is CH3, CH2 and CHO plus here CH3, CH2 and CHO in presence of dilute NaOH. Here this is alpha carbon atom, this is alpha hydrogen atom. अल्फा कार्बन एटम मीन्स कार्बोनिल कार्बनला जो कार्बन एटम अटॅच असेल त्याला काय म्हटलं जातं अल्फा कार्बन एटम, and hydrogen atom is attached to the alpha carbon atom is known as alpha hydrogen atom. Here this alpha carbon atom of second molecule gets attached to the carbonyl carbon atom of first molecule, means this CH group is attached to this carbonyl carbon. This hydrogen atom migrated towards carbonyl oxygen to give hydroxyl group. This reaction takes place in presence of dilute NaOH. In these two molecules of aldehyde reacts with each other in such a way that alpha carbon atom gets attached to the carbonyl carbon and alpha hydrogen atom migrated towards carbonyl oxygen to give here product known as here CH3, CH2, then CH. Here CH, OH, this CH3, CH2, CH, OH, then CH, CH3, this CH, CH3 and CHO. Then this compound is warm. Then fourth product is this water molecule is eliminated, this OH and this H gives water molecule plus H2O, and product is CH3, CH2, CH. Here CH3, CH2, CH, then double bond C, CH3, CH3, CHO. This is fourth product. Name of this fourth product is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, means 2-methyl. Name of this compound is the plus H2O. Name of this compound is 2-methyl. 2-methyl, total carbon atoms are 5. Therefore, this is the derivative of pentane. But here double bond. Therefore, AN is replaced by ENE. position is second position. Therefore 2-methyl paint 2-en and aldehyde group is present. Therefore E is replaced by Al, means 2-methyl paint 2-en Al. This is the fourth product. Means here in first here ethanol and propanol, then propanol and ethanol. These two compounds, means these two reactions are known as cross product. This is the cross condensation or mixed condensation, and this is a self condensation. Means total 4 products are formed. In case of ethanol, this is propanol, ethanol, then ethanol and propanol. We get here 4 products, that is first 2-methyl but 2-en Al, second paint 2-en Al, third but 2-en Al, and last 4 2-methyl paint 2-en Al. This is known as crossed aldol condensation reaction. Here ketone can also be used as crossed aldol condensation reaction. This is the fourth reaction, that is aldol condensation reaction. In this aldol condensation reaction, simple aldol condensation reaction and crossed aldol condensation reaction. Thank you.